So guys, I tested a lot. I went crazy at some point, but we finally got it. And what I did here is a water cooling jacket for the Castle Creation 2028 1100 kV. That's for the SpeedlingR speedboat project, and as these motors are for cars or whatever cars mainly, they don't have a water jacket, and with the cooling ribs on here, you kind of have to make something special so that the water cooling jacket would work, because the normal one wouldn't slide over that. So I designed a 3D printed water cooling jacket, including the motor mount for the boat. And in detail I'll show you that stuff here. So I printed a motor dummy, and then we have like 3 parts. That's for later. What I don't have here now are the seals. So now I have all the seals here too. There's only one ring, but in fact there are 2. So what we have here is the motor dummy, and then 3 parts building the cooling jacket and motor mount itself. So that is the main housing, and then you have like one end cap, and that's for the shaft side. Here for the shaft side, and that's for the back side. So you take that one, slide it over, then you take your O-ring. I take the V-Ton ones because it can get hot on the surface of the motor. So it's like that. Oh, sorry, printer is calibrating. So, and now we slide over the housing. Sorry. Then we put on the outer seal, because I had massive problems getting this surface sealed. So I did a TPU seal to make the seal possible between these 2 surfaces. So you slide over that. We have to go a little bit up. So, right. Slide over that. Then you would normally put on the other O-ring, but I don't have one here at the moment. So then comes this one. And finally the mount. So now you have the complete unit. And now we take the real motor. For thermal resistance, I printed these in PPS-CF10 from Polymaker. It's their Fiberon material. So that is that metal sounding stuff. I printed it on my H2D Bamboo Lab printer. After printing, I tempered it for 12 hours at 110 degrees Celsius in my Sunlu E2 dryer. And now it's like, yeah, it's crazy strong. I was able to to tighten these screws, double the torque as with the ABS, so without changing anything at the surface. And I print or add wall numbers or anything, it's the same part, and you can tighten the screws with the double of the momentum than in ABS. That should resist the heat from the motor, because the melting point or weakening point is at 250 degrees Celsius. I hope we won't get 250 degrees Celsius on the outside of the motor. So yes, that should suit. The Viton O-rings, FKM, they are able to withstand 230 degrees Celsius. So yeah, and how you mount it is like that. You have this holder here, and then you slide it in to these grooves, and just like that, tighten it from both sides with 8 screws, and then you can put it like into the boat. Alright, so I'll show you the installed version pretty soon. Thanks for watching. Bye.